दुबई साउथ, जो कि दुबई का ऐसा एरिया है जहाँ पे यूएई की गवर्नमेंट फोकस कर रही है और लेके आ रही है वर्ल्ड्स बिगेस्ट एयरपोर्ट विच इज अल मखतूम इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट. एंड नॉट ओनली दिस, it is also coming with the expo site, it is also coming with the World Trade Center and hub. This area is going to be booming for Dubai real estate market. और पाकिस्तान का लार्जेस्ट प्राइवेट डेवलपर लेके आ रहा है ऐसी अमेजिंग कम्युनिटी और इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी आप सबके लिए विद द साइज ऑफ टोटल साइज ऑफ 14 मिलियन स्क्वायर फीट, जहां से आप अपने घर में सिर्फ और सिर्फ 10 मिनट के टाइम ड्यूरेशन पे एंटर हो सकोगे. अगर आप अपने एयरपोर्ट पे आते हो विच इज वर्ल्ड्स बिगेस्ट एयरपोर्ट एज आई मेंशन्ड, आपको अपने घर आने के लिए जो यू जस्ट नीड 10 मिनट्स ड्राइव टू दिस कम्युनिटी विच इज बहरिया टाउन प्रॉपर्टीज हैज मेड एन आइकॉनिक एंट्री in Dubai real estate market with an amazing payment plan and amazing plot sizes and prices. Dubai South, जो कि एक futuristic area, I've explained that. Now let's talk about the community amenities and facilities. As I told you, it is 14 million square feet. The best part of this community is that it has 40% of green land, which you can see is all covered with the greenery and facilities like observatory deck with the iconic Eiffel Tower with a height of 82 meters. And apartments on that side, you will see the Turkish Blue Mosque, which is going to be the Dubai's biggest mosque. Also, Bahria Town Hospital. Also, you will have GEMS School inside the community. You will have Crystal Lagoon. You will have swimming pool. You will have kids play area. You will have apartments, and also you will have 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses और 5 और 6 bedroom के independent villas हैं. Best part जो इस community का है, जो कि सबको inspire कर रहा है, that are the sizes. Starts from 2,000 square feet of plot sizes, 2,200 square feet for a 3 bedroom plot sizes with a built up area of 1,800 and plus. These kind of sizes and prices are never found in Dubai main city or Hessa Street or other communities what we usually get to see in those communities. Our prices amazing, starts from only 2.3 million dirham for a townhouse. अपार्टमेंट शुरू हो रहे हैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ 460,000 dirham से, which are studio apartments. On that side, the community is basically divided into 2 parts. That side is apartments and this side is all villas and townhouses. Prices, as I told you, are amazing. Payment plan is 70% during construction. You only have to pay 10% down payment. 4% is the DLD. Another 10% will be in another 3 months. And then there is a quarterly payment of 5% each quarter for the next 3 years. 30% you will pay post handover when you will get the keys. जब आपको अपनी घर की चाबियां मिल जाएंगी, that is the time that the property itself will start making money. आपकी प्रॉपर्टी पैसा बनाना शुरू हो जाएगी. You will have your own income, your rental income, which will eventually pay off the property itself. So you don't have to invest from your pocket right away. This is the golden opportunity for investors as well as end users to make the best use of this opportunity of this launch, which is the private luxury developer of Pakistan landing in the hottest area of UAE, which is Dubai South, which is an upcoming market for real estate. Don't miss this opportunity. Get in touch, contact to book your unit right away. Thank you so much.